So Michael, why Carl Sagan in 2020? Like, why do you still look back on Carl Sagan as a great science communicator?
Well, Koby, I think about Carl a lot in my life because he is the voice in my head that slows my thoughts. And in science communication, you want to deliver your message in a clear and succinct way because science is filled with big ideas that will blow your mind thinking about the universe. So when you're speaking to your audience, you want to look them right into the heart and deliver that message that you have inside of your heart. And Carl had such a deep humanity about him because he loved the universe. He just like loved thinking about it, but also he loved telling you about it. And I think that that is something that's the special sauce that I was talking about, which is tapping into that little burning fire. You know, when Kaylee's talking about rats, she's also got a little dinosaur in there from Jurassic Park.
I do. It doesn't have feathers, but it should.